In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Bitcoin to USDT. In this tutorial, we're going to be using the KuCoin platform. The first step is we want to go to KuCoin.com and we want to make sure that we are logged into our account. Next, we want to go to the top left where it says markets. Now under markets, we want to make sure that USD is selected right here. So if you have any of these other ones selected, just make sure that you go to USD right here. Next, we want to go to where it says BTC/USDT. It's probably going to be at the top of the crypto list. Let's go ahead and click on that. This should bring us to this page right here. And what we want to do is go down to the bottom right, click on where it says market, and under the sell section, we want to enter in a amount of Bitcoin that we want to convert into USDT. So we can enter in, let's say 0.002, or if we don't want to enter in a certain amount and we want to select a percentage of the amount that we own, we could go here where we can either select 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% of Bitcoin we own. So either way, you can enter in the amount and it will convert that amount into USDT once you click on the sell BTC button. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like, but that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you next time.